Hello guys, in most cases we are not usually told about some strategic places on the charts where there are where we usually have some important decision that may likely take place at that particular point. Okay, these are some of the places that we will be checking out because it will help us to know if the market will be going down or it will be going on uptrend. Okay, once you are able to identify the places how it forms, then definitely you will be able to make some good amount of money right from there. You get yourself prepared for the action that will take place after that, so that you will know what to go into right from there. Okay, so I will be sharing some of these secrets with you right here in this video. If you want to know how to trade for a very long time, or probably you want to be sure of the direction of a market, then definitely you need to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it works. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal research to see if it is what you need to practice more. You need to practice more so that you will understand how to go about it, and of course you will be able to perfect your trading skill right from there. Okay, this is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, quickly now let's go straight into what we have right here. This strategy, most people will not tell you about it because probably they don't want you to know about it. Okay, but I will be revealing it to you right here in today's video. All you just need to do is just to stay tuned, and of course you will understand better how it works. Okay, so this strategy can help you to make money easily. You can be making profit easily depending on your capital. Okay, you can make up to $500 on daily basis. Okay, so now let's go straight to the chart. Okay, this is the chart which I'll be using today, and of course I just want us to have a better look at what we are having right here, and of course how this will help us to explain very well. Okay, at a point in time, the market will always have a situation whereby it will be moving within one point to another point. At that particular point, it won't go beyond that. Okay, and each time it is having such experience, then you should know that it is trying to make a decision at that particular point. For instance, right here, okay, let me pick up this within here, within this period. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this to clone it, okay, and bring it down. And here, okay, you can see the market moving within this range alone. Okay, moving this within this range. You know what it's trying to do is that it's trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone or break out below the support zone. Whichever one that happens, then definitely it's going to go for a very long time in that direction, and it always creates such situation in most cases, most especially when a big decision is about to take place. Sometimes it's going to go for a very long time, sometimes it's going to go for a short time. Another period is somewhere here. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. It just needs the breakout either below it or above it. Of course, in most cases we will be expecting that it should break out below it because it is at the resistance zone already, and it's coming from the resistance zone. But this resistance, this period is also a support zone for another period. Okay, so here is a support zone and here is a resistance zone, and it broke out above it and it went up before coming down again. Okay, so it will always have this situation occurring. Okay, you can see it around there. This is a short one, a small one. Okay, after breaking out it went up and it happened around here again. After breaking out below, it came down. You can see it right here. So now let's check out this right here. After breaking out, it came down, it played around there for a while, it still broke out below it and of course came down. Then it played around there for a while, it didn't break out below it, it broke out above it, and it went up. These are 24-hour candles. You can imagine you trading within that 24 hours, and of course that's a lot of profit going in one direction consistently for good 24 hours. That's a lot of profit. Sometimes it goes more than 24 hours. Okay, that's a lot of profit for each and every one of us if we truly know how it works. Okay, all we just need to do is just to identify those areas. Once it is ranging within a point, then definitely we should identify the resistance zone and the support zone below and wait for the breakout. Once it breaks out, you jump into it and start going into and start trading in the direction that it broke out into. Okay, so that will help you to make lots of profit right from there. You can see this, it gave us a lot of profit, and you can see it right here also, it gave us a lot of profit, and right here it broke out above it, and of course it gave us a lot of profit. Okay, then right here it broke out below it, and it gave us a lot of profit. This is a simple trading strategy that you can easily see and identify. You just need to wait for the breakout. Once it breaks out, then definitely you jump into the trade. Okay, it also happens on other time frame. Okay, it happens also on other time frame. Personally, I love using 30-minute time frame because I believe it is at the middle, and of course it will give me quick signal, and of course also give me the opportunity to trade for a very long time. You can imagine right here, okay, the market was ranging around there, it was ranging around there, and we can as well put the trend line just to highlight it to see if it will break out either above it or below it. Okay, so that way it will help us to know the direction of the market. Okay, and fortunately for us, it went above it. Okay, you can see right here it went above it, and it started buying and buying and buying and buying. Okay, right here it gave us another ranging period, and of course it still continued with the buy trend, and it kept on going up, and you can see it right here also gave us another ranging period, broke out above it, and of course it went up again. So that is how it works. Okay, so right here it gave us another ranging period, and this time around it broke out below it, and of course if you understand this strategy, all you just need to do is just to highlight those areas, and of course wait for the breakout. Once it breaks out, then you jump into the trade and you start trading. Okay, that will also help you to stop your stop loss, because to set your stop loss, because okay, for instance right here, let me bring this out a bit. Okay, right here, if I'm to set my stop loss, once it breaks out above it and I decide to come in, if I'm to set my stop loss, I'm going to set my stop loss within this resistance zone and this support zone. That is where my stop loss will be. Okay, so this will keep on buying, but once it hits this region, then I will know that it has gotten to my stop loss, then I will have to close the trade. But so far it didn't hit it, then it will keep on buying and buying and buying. Then I can now adjust my stop loss to trail it as it moves up. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so you can always make use of it to milk the market successfully. This will help you to make a lot of profit right from there. Okay, so if you understand this strategy, it is a breakout strategy actually, but you need to understand where to impute those trend lines so that you will know how to go about it. Once you impute it at the right places, then definitely you're going to make a lot of profit with it. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. How you can apply this strategy. You can see that I didn't use any special indicator or trading tool this time around. Okay, you can apply this strategy on your main chart and see how profitable it is. Okay, so this is very, very important for those of you that are not having the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and you don't know when you will be getting it, then definitely you can still use this strategy to make some good amount of money for yourself. Okay, you can use this strategy to make, you just need to be patient enough for the breakout to happen. Once it happens, then you jump into the trade and you start making the the profit right from there. And I have also used this opportunity to explain to you how to set your stop loss once you jump into the trade, so that in case there is a pullback and you don't really have that big capital to hold it, then definitely your stop loss will reduce your loss at that particular point. Okay, but in most cases you will always be in profit and make a lot of profit with it. Okay, so that is it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.